Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Stepping onto the sand of Miami Beach, you aren't just visiting a coastline. You're entering one of the most recognizable and storied landscapes in the world. While we often think of this as a singular destination, Miami Beach is actually a vibrant island city separated from the mainland by the sparkling waters of Biscayne Bay. This stretch of white sand and turquoise water has undergone many identities, from a desolate mangrove swamp to a 1920s playground, a wartime training base, and eventually the global icon of glamour and nightlife it is today. The beach itself is a marvel of both nature and engineering. Because of its intense coastal erosion that occurs in Florida, the wide expansive shoreline you see today is a result of massive nourishment projects. Millions of tons of sand have been pumped in over the decades to maintain this pristine playground, ensuring that the city remains protected and the tourists have plenty of room to soak up the sun. What makes Miami Beach truly unique, however, is the Atlantic Greenway, the paved path that separates the sand from the luxury hotels and Art Deco buildings. This is the stage where the daily life of the city plays out. You'll see fitness enthusiasts on longboards, international travelers taking in the sights, and locals enjoying their morning coffee against the backdrop of the sunrise. But the most iconic features of the sand itself has to be the Lifeguard towers. Scattered along the coast, these aren't your standard utilitarian structures. Following Hurricane Andrew in 1992, the city commissioned architects and artists to design vibrant, whimsical, and neon-colored towers. Each one has its own personality and design, serving as both the central safety hubs and the most photographed landmarks on the island. They represent the spirit of Miami Beach, functional yet undeniably flamboyant. As you look out towards the horizon where the massive cruise ships head out to sea, you feel the energy that has drawn people here over the century. It's a place of incredible contrast, where the quiet, rhythmic sound of the waves meets the distant pulse of Ocean Drive. For Baz Travels, Miami Beach is more than just a place to swim. It is a symbol of the Florida dream, a testament to human ambition, and a world-class destination that continues to reinvent itself with every tide.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.